So this is the US oil analysis for Monday 30th of July. Now let's just have a look at prices and where prices may likely go. So we've seen price come towards this 69.51, had several tests of 69.51. They weren't able to break away from the 69.51. Instead what we did see was a breakdown in prices here on the US oil. We did see a breakdown, came within a couple of cents or so of the 68.19 for a perfect test, from which we've had bullish buy side momentum come into the market, brief pullback for strong continuation, breaking above 69.51, and also that 400 period moving average, reducing poised for a test of possibly that 70.79 here on the US oil. So if we do see this bullish buy side momentum follow through to the upside, continue in the coming days, and we do break and hold above 70.79, we can see our price racked around 71.50 before looking to target the 72.39 here on the US oil. If, however, we do encounter a major resistance around 70.79 or from where we are at present, we're looking for a retest of 69.51. If we do fail to hold support there, we're then looking for prices to test the 68.19. Previously in the area we found support here on the US oil, but failure to hold even that 68.19 support could potentially see us head down towards what I expect to be the far end of the range in around that 67.73 here on the US oil, as we've previously held support in around that 67.73 on the US oil. Now what we'll do now is have a look here at the higher time frames. So we get the scale on here correct, and as we can see here on this monthly chart, it's pretty clear. We have been in a rather strong uptrend here since 2017 on US oil. More recently we've had a pullback, which isn't too surprising considering that we did have a very strong bullish candle close from June. So having a bit of a pullback is pretty normal. So we'll see if we're going forward, we do see that momentum follow through to the upside and see prices head up towards possibly that $80 barrel level. At present, the trend remains clearly entrenched to the upside, and what we'll do now is have a look here at the weekly chart. On this weekly chart, we can see here we have our lows, a series of higher lows, sharp pullbacks, finding further support and posting higher lows, another sharp pullback, very strong move here to the upside towards a $75 a barrel level, from which we've had a sharp pullback from the $75 barrel level, and again we are seeing that bullish buy side momentum come back into the market. So we do seem poised for another test of a $75 barrel level, especially if we can keep this uptrend here intact. And finally we'll have a look here at the daily chart, and over on this daily chart we do have our lows. We do appear to have posted a somewhat higher lows, and we do seem poised for further upside continuation towards that $75 barrel level. And if we do see pullback and break from which we're possibly looking for a price head up towards that $80 barrel mark in the coming months or so, if this continued price momentum continues. And with that said, that pretty much wraps up the US oil analysis. Thanks for watching.